Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gears 5 split-screen campaign. First, ensure you have a second controller connected to your console or PC. Once connected, launch the Gears 5 game. From the main menu, simply select the campaign option. This will prepare you for an exciting cooperative experience with a friend right beside you. It's a straightforward process to get started. After selecting campaign, you can either begin a new game or load a previous save. At this point, player 2 should press any button on their second controller. A prompt will appear on screen, allowing the second player to sign in with their own profile or choose to play as a guest. This step seamlessly integrates the second player into your game session, ready for action. Once both players are successfully signed in, the screen will automatically divide into two distinct sections, providing each player with their own view of the action. Both players can then control their respective characters independently, navigating the world and engaging in combat. You can enjoy the full, immersive Gears 5 campaign story side by side with a friend, making every moment more intense. To enhance your split-screen experience, consider a few tips. First, make sure both players have a comfortable and clear view of their respective screen halves. Effective communication is key for coordinating attacks and supporting each other in battle. Also, feel free to adjust game settings, such as difficulty, to suit both players' skill levels, ensuring maximum enjoyment for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.